Hey guys, good news. We received our first batch of soil and compost. That's 44 bags of triple mix at the bottom and 10 bags of seafood compost, which is something new I haven't tried before, but I'm going to try it this year. So we're planning on filling in the 2 raised beds today and installing my pea trellis because the ice still hasn't melted in the other 2 beds that I've been waiting for. So since we're going to be filling in those beds with fresh soil, there won't be any ice, so I should be able to install my pea trellis and seed the peas. So that is the big task for today. All right. I'm tired, you guys. Okay, so what we did was we brought in all the compost. I still have to put in each bag there. That's, you see, like every bed has a bag to go in. Those are the existing beds. I'll do that. I don't know if I can have the energy to do it today, but we'll see. And then we did manage to fill in these 2 beds at the end. They only needed 18 bags compared to 22 for last year. Not sure what the difference was, but we'll take it. So we have some extra soil, which we're going to keep for the extra 4 beds that we still have to assemble and put together. And then here's the other one. We put in the pea trellis, which is awesome. And then I'm going to be seeding my peas today and watering them in. I brought them out. Here they are. It's a big day, you guys, when we're seeding peas. Whew, that was a big chore. Anyway, the worst is done. After this, after seeding the peas, we still have 4 beds to assemble. 2 of the beds are needed for sometime in April. They're going to be for potatoes and onions. And I haven't received those yet, so we still have some time before we can assemble them. And then the other 2 are for the summer crops, the May long weekend. So it's easier for us if we stagger it a little bit. It just makes the whole job a little bit easier. So that's it. We're getting there. Off to seed some peas. Okay, we're seeding peas, and if you take a look at them, they actually look like dried peas, which is technically what they are. So these ones, according to the package, it's about 1 inch deep and about 1 or 2 inches apart. And I usually just follow the trellis, and I'll put some on the outside too. As they grow, these ones grow to about 5 feet. They'll lean up on the trellis, and they'll attach themselves. They have these little tendrils on the vines. You can see some that are dried from last year. And I don't measure. I do this pretty non-technical. I don't even make holes for these ones. I already did the inside row, so I'm just going to put a few outside, and I just lay it down and I press it in. It's really not difficult. And then I'll come back and runaway pea, and then I'll just here and there. I don't do a double row everywhere, just where I think it'll make sense to do so, where there's room. I'll just stick a few in here and there, and that's it.